guys, I am just going to talk about Uthando Nesthembu, a bit of highlights from episode 13 season 9 angithi. And then but we actually doing episode 14, right? So there's where Umakhumalo during their session there with the therapist Undabi, Umakhumalo was just like, because remember Umacele said to them, yini bomama nine beef nami maybe buzala bomama batroma yini Umakhumalo and Mangwabe mhlambe nenkinga nami or what's going on, but I can see ukuthi ku-tense between us silama sister zange right angezwani bese Umakhumalo, no mina I wanted to find out from you. Mangwabe nawe besebuzile ngithi kwakhe. I said it on episode 13 part 2. Obese Umakhumalo, can you just tell me ukuthi wena wawuthe awumfuni omunye usister wife? So bazumakhwela uyamthatha, what's up with that? Uyabona ibuza uMacele. So ke uMakhumalo is just like, to Macele bra mina uyangixaka manje, you be meeting with uMakhwela on the side busy ufuna ukumfaka Musa, but you are the same person that told us the other sister wives ukuthi wena you don't want the fifth wife but you were doing stuff with her. Uyabona ukuthi wena kahle hle uyixoki lebiqebiqa. Mse kuba uMakhumalo ke naye ke kodwa ke you know ke I've said it on the 2 videos before this one ukuthi she's been throwing jabs uyilo muntu who has like some serious beef ngize ngithi mina yangakubo eMzumbe, but manje they years apart, these people they wouldn't have grown up together, you know. So I'm just like, what's up with that? We do sisters throwing jabs at Samgay, and then she wouldn't really mention Samgay's name, but she would say things like, yeah, kukubona izinto nje, but uyabona ukuthi lo ukhuluma ngoSamgay. You can pick it up very quickly from her mouth ukuthi ay bra ukhuluma ngoSamgay, why can't you just say it straight up and be like ngikhuluma ngoSamgay? And then she'll be saying things like to Musa, yeah, futhi ene nokuthandana nomuntu omncane nawe has changed you. Umona or hey guys angazi indaba ufeel ukuthi kufanele ngabe attention inikeza yena as the smallest sister wife. Angazi guys what's going on there, but I've been saying ukuthi abonoMakhumalo serious beef with Umakhwela, and manje sometimes it comes off ngathi she's disrespectful even nakuMusa or nje all round, you know, when she's talking. And you would expect ukuthi uMakhumalo would be accepting of Umakhwela because Umakhwela umncane naye she once had that, you know, with the other sister wives. She was the last wife. But I know it's like you're forgotten quickly. Now you are once the last wife and the youngest. So what's up with that? Why are you like that towards Umakhwela? Have ukhohlwa very quickly, eh? Manje you wanna treat Umakhwela in some type of way, you know. Ngapha guys Umakhwela usahleli ekhaya ngithi ngathi the lobolo was actually partly paid. So you know how it is, people are gonna be like, but why usasekhaya sisi, why ungakahambi kwakho? You know how it is emakhaya futhi eMzumbe doesn't look like mkhulu kangako, but you know the villages umuzi lapha there omunye there, but sazazi indaba zakhona. It's funny, I'm just like kanjani, but Umakhwela is just like that ila nje ukuthi you know what namfanele ngihambe manje ngiye kwami. And ungiyayibuza ukuthi Umakhwela uzohlala guys eMzumbe ke kusho ukuthi cause akasekho vele umuntu ofuna ukuhlala eMzumbe, sonke sifuna izindlu ezintsha. But uMakhumalo njengamanje uyaziveza naye as another person who's now a villain type of thing. So she's just like this person now towards Umakhwela. This beef that I'm saying ukuthi unayo towards Umakhwela is just like so crazy though. But I feel like there's something else. Ukwatela ezinye izinto ongathi ukwatela uMusa through Umakhwela. You know those type of people. They just like kahle hle mina ngikwatele wena, but ngizoyenza ngathi ngifuna ukuhlanyela lo. Kanjalo. Ngapha uAnti kaSamgay naye umuntu othi sajikiswe egeyithini kuloya muzi, and ngapha uSamgay is just like, yo mina ngazi ukuthi impeleni I'm not even taking anything from the wives. Wife and ngibuke in some type of way. Lo auntie ke ukaSamgay or utata but ngathi uAnti she comes across as someone who feels like ngathi kudlalwa ngadla lengane fanele ilotshwe liqedwe ukuyibona leyo nto. And uyayibona ukuthi le nto uMusa Mthethwa ayenzayo of calling ama-therapists there is to make the wives to accept uMakhwela ngoba uMakhwela abona ukuthi akekho. So it's that whole thing ukuthi yini indaba is why you angry my sister wives please ngiyanicela. My wives actually but angidla abanye phela baba sister wives but la why are you angry with me my wives please ngiyanicelani kwenzakalani nansi therapist gonyulukani take out everything that's in your hearts and tell me ukuthi what's going on with you. Ngoba vele laba bakwatele noMakhwela ngithi they are mixed bakwatele nayo le ndoda le ebuyifuna ama-medical aids from them ukuthi you're not providing enough, you're not there for anyone. And the way it turns out ungathi uMakhumalo umusa ezimbini nje uMakhumalo uzazo for months. Someone even said 5 months. I was like, angazi ngo 5 months but ngiyazi ukuthi ezimbini. So uvele ufile sengathi how so manje usunoMakhwela wakho so you don't care about us and all of that. So the reason for the therapists nondaba engimbala nalomunye usisi we-therapist ukuthi uyilethe ngoba ufuna uku-understand, ufuna ukubona what is in their hearts, especially about uMakhwela. Umusa umusa uhlaniphile at the same time usilly futhi, and he is a liar of note. And you know uMakhwela doesn't care, right? She's just like mina ngifuna kuya kwami manje nami, but at the same time amaphapha phezulu ebantwini. So uMakhwela needs to calm down a bit until things zibe right yena nama-sister wives akhe. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo because labo mama at least laba 3 abekho right. uMakhumalo Mayini noMangwabo Macele is fine with Makhwela any day anytime, you know, but these 3 are just like hayi ngikamele ngicane lo asikakam accept like that.